Hello everyone. We have a question where it says that find the quotient and remainder when 6x power 4 plus x cube minus x square plus 5x minus 6 is divided by 2x square minus x plus 1. That means we have to divide this polynomial with this quadratic equation. Because it is a quadratic equation, definitely then we have to go with a proper division process. Because if this would have been something like a linear condition, so definitely then we could go with the other process, but because it is a quadratic, definitely we have to go with the proper division process. That means we have to divide this polynomial with this quadratic equation. The process is simple. I have written the polynomial inside and we have to divide that by this quadratic equation. So we have to eliminate the first term at every step. So 2x square we have to multiply with what, so that we could get 6x power 4. So that means if you multiply 2 by 3 you get 6. So 3 I have written over here. This is your x square, this is your x power 4. That means if you multiply x square with x square you get x power 4. So finally we can say that if we multiply 2x square with 3x square you get 6x power 4. Then you multiply the same this 3x square with negative x, you get negative 3 and x cube. So write the same term like terms next to each other below them. Over here it was x cube and 3x square multiply by minus x would be minus 3x square, and similarly 3x square with positive 1 would be positive 3x square. So writing x cube below x cube, writing x square below x square, and after that changing the sign as per rule. So this was positive, made it negative, negative, positive, and positive, negative, and cancelled out. And this is x cube, so this is positive 1, positive 3. So plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4x cube, negative 1, negative 3 is negative 4x square, and just moving this positive 5x, negative 6 down. The same process goes on. Multiplying 2x square with what? To get 4x cube. So multiplying 2 with 2 to get 4x square with x to get x cube. That means multiplying 2x square with 2x to get 4x cube. Again this 2x multiplied by negative x would be negative 2x square. Writing the like terms like below the same one, and right, multiplying this 2x with positive 1 would be positive 2x, and writing positive 2x below 5x. Again using the same common rule, which is changing the sign. So positive becomes negative and this is cancelled out. Negative become positive, positive becomes negative, both are x square. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2x square, plus 5 minus 2 is positive 3x and minus 6, and finally 2x square when multiplied with what to get minus 2x square. Very simple, 2x square over here, 2x square over here, but this is negative, so simply multiply this 2x square with minus 1 so that we could get minus 2x square, and after that minus 1 with this minus x would become positive x. So writing positive x below 3x, and minus 1 with positive 1 would be negative 1. The same common process, changing the sign. After changing the sign, this is cancelled. Changing the sign, both are like terms. 3 minus 1 is 2x, minus 6 plus 1 is negative 5. Now because the power of this is now greater than this, we cannot go for further division. The division goes on until the power of this is less than the power of this or equal to. When it was x power 4, this was less than power 4. Over here less than power 3. Over here equal to power 2. So we went on with the division. But when it came to a point where the power was less than that, stop over there. So whatever is written at the top, that is 3x square plus 2x minus 1, is basically the quotient. which was asked in the question, find the quotient and remainder, and whatever is left at the bottom 2x minus 5 is the remainder. It was also asked in the question.